Fish is often called one of the best foods for heart health, but many people don't realize that the right fish can also play a powerful role in muscle repair and growth. Whether you go to the gym, play sports, or simply want to stay strong and active, your muscles need proper nutrition to recover and rebuild. Fish is packed with high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients that help reduce muscle soreness, repair damaged muscle fibers, and improve overall strength. That's why many fitness experts and dietitians recommend adding fish to your weekly diet. However, not all fish are equally beneficial. Some may lack key nutrients, while others can lose their benefits depending on how they are cooked. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 must-eat fish that can help repair muscles faster, reduce soreness, and boost recovery. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last fish on this list is simple, affordable, and often overlooked, but incredibly effective. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is widely known as one of the most powerful foods for muscle repair and recovery because it provides a perfect combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats that the body needs after physical activity. When you exercise, your muscle fibers go through small amounts of stress and damage, and protein plays a key role in repairing those fibers and making them stronger over time. Salmon delivers complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids required for muscle growth and recovery, making it an excellent choice for athletes, gym goers, and anyone trying to maintain strength. In addition to protein, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially important after intense workouts because inflammation is one of the main reasons behind muscle soreness and slow recovery. By lowering inflammation, omega-3s help your muscles recover faster and allow you to get back to your training routine with less discomfort. Salmon also contains vitamin D, a nutrient that supports muscle function, strength, and overall performance, and many people do not get enough of it from sunlight or other foods. Another benefit of salmon is that it supports better blood flow, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscles more efficiently during recovery. To get the best results, it is important to choose fresh or properly frozen salmon and cook it in a healthy way, such as grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying. Adding simple ingredients like lemon, garlic, and olive oil can enhance flavor without reducing its health benefits. Eating salmon regularly as part of a balanced diet can help improve muscle recovery speed, reduce fatigue, and support long-term strength and performance. Number 2. Tuna. Tuna is one of the most effective and convenient fish for supporting muscle repair and growth because it provides a high amount of lean protein that the body can quickly use after physical activity. When muscles are stressed during workouts, they need a steady supply of amino acids to repair and rebuild stronger fibers. And tuna delivers complete protein that contains all the essential amino acids required for this process. This makes it especially useful for people who train regularly and want faster recovery without adding unnecessary fat to their diet. Another important benefit of tuna is its rich content of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production and helps keep the nervous system functioning properly. Good energy levels are important for maintaining workout performance and preventing early fatigue. Tuna also contains selenium, a mineral that helps protect muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which can increase after intense exercise. In addition, tuna provides a moderate amount of omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and support faster recovery, although not as high as fatty fish like salmon. One of the biggest advantages of tuna is how easy it is to include in daily meals, whether fresh or canned, making it a practical option for busy people who still want to support muscle health. Choosing low-sodium canned tuna or fresh tuna is important to avoid excess salt that can affect overall health. Preparing tuna with simple ingredients like olive oil, lemon juice, or light spices helps keep it healthy and effective for muscle repair. Eating tuna regularly in balanced portions can help rebuild muscle tissue efficiently, support strength, and improve recovery time. Number 3. Sardines. Sardines may be small in size, but they are incredibly powerful when it comes to supporting muscle repair and overall strength because they provide a dense combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients in every serving. One of the main benefits of sardines is their high-quality protein content, which helps rebuild damaged muscle fibers after exercise and supports consistent muscle growth over time. Since they contain all the essential amino acids, they allow the body to recover more efficiently after workouts and reduce the risk of muscle breakdown. Sardines are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play an important role in reducing inflammation in the body, helping to ease muscle soreness and improve recovery speed after intense physical activity. Another major advantage of sardines is their natural content of calcium and vitamin D, especially when eaten with their soft edible bones, which helps strengthen both muscles and bones together, creating a more stable and powerful body structure. Strong bones are important because they support muscle movement and reduce the risk of injury during training. Sardines also provide important minerals like iron and magnesium, which help improve oxygen delivery to muscles and support proper muscle contractions, allowing better performance during workouts and faster recovery afterward. In addition, sardines are known for having lower levels of mercury compared to larger fish, making them a safer option for regular consumption. They are also affordable and easy to include in meals, whether grilled or lightly cooked with simple ingredients like lemon, garlic, and olive oil. Eating sardines regularly can help improve muscle strength, reduce fatigue, and support long-term recovery and performance. Number 4, mackerel. Mackerel is a highly nutritious fish that plays a powerful role in muscle repair and recovery because it provides a rich combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats that the body needs after intense physical activity. When muscles are stressed during exercise, they require protein to rebuild and grow stronger, and mackerel delivers complete protein with all the essential amino acids needed for this process. This helps speed up recovery and supports consistent muscle development over time. One of the standout benefits of mackerel is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. After heavy workouts, inflammation can lead to muscle soreness and fatigue, and omega-3s help ease this discomfort, allowing faster recovery and better performance in future training sessions. Mackerel is also rich in important vitamins such as vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, which support energy production and help maintain proper muscle and nerve function. These nutrients are essential for improving endurance and reducing feelings of tiredness during and after workouts. In addition, mackerel contains selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which can increase after intense exercise. Another benefit of mackerel is that it supports better blood circulation, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissues more efficiently, which is important for recovery and growth. To get the most benefits, it is important to choose fresh or properly stored mackerel and cook it using healthy methods such as grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying. Using simple seasonings like lemon, garlic, and olive oil helps keep it both healthy and flavorful. Eating mackerel regularly can help reduce muscle soreness, improve recovery speed, and support overall strength and endurance. Number 5, tilapia. Tilapia is one of the most widely available and affordable fish options, making it a practical choice for supporting muscle repair and maintenance, especially for people who want a simple protein source without high cost or complexity in preparation. One of the main benefits of tilapia is that it provides lean, high-quality protein, which is essential for rebuilding muscle fibers that are broken down during exercise. When you train or do physical activity, your muscles experience small amounts of stress, and protein helps repair that damage, leading to stronger and more developed muscles over time. Tilapia is also relatively low in fat compared to many other fish, which makes it suitable for people who want to build muscle without increasing body fat levels. Another advantage is that tilapia is easy to digest, allowing the body to absorb protein efficiently and use it quickly for recovery. It also contains important nutrients such as selenium, which supports immune function and helps protect cells from oxidative stress, that can occur after intense workouts. In addition, tilapia provides B vitamins that help the body convert food into energy, supporting better workout performance and reducing fatigue during physical activity. While tilapia is not as rich in omega-3 fatty acids as fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, it still plays a valuable role in a balanced muscle-building diet when combined with other nutrient-rich foods. The way tilapia is prepared makes a big difference in its health benefits, and it is best consumed grilled, baked, or steamed instead of fried or heavily breaded, as this helps maintain its lean profile and avoids unnecessary fats and calories. Using light seasonings like herbs, garlic, lemon, or black pepper can enhance flavor without reducing its nutritional value. Eating tilapia regularly in controlled portions can help support steady muscle repair, improve strength, and maintain overall physical performance.